Introduction to cybersecurity. So first we will see what is mean by cyber. Cyber is nothing but that the equipment we are using in day-to-day life, that is laptop, handheld devices, network devices, mobiles, all in comes under cyberspace. To protect that cyberspace, we need to require some security, and that security is known as cybersecurity. The technique of protecting internet connected systems such as computer, server, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks and data from malicious attack is known as cybersecurity. We can divide cybersecurity in two parts. First, that is cyber, and second, that is security. Cyber refer to the technology that include network, program and data. We have to protect that data from the attacker or from hacker. Security is concerned with the protection of system, network and application. Next, the cybersecurity is main objective that to ensure data protection from the attacker or from hacker. We don't want to give some unauthorized access to attacker. So there we need a CI triad model, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality, then in confidentiality we need an encrypted format for secure our data. Confidentiality means we have to protect our data for particular reason or for particular person. Confidentiality is known as encrypted format in ciphertext. So we will see what is meant by ciphertext. We can access a ciphertext from encryption format. So we will carry forward that confidentiality for one person to another person. Then next, integrity. Integrity is the principle that ensure that the data is authenticated and accurate, but anyone cannot modify that data without taking the permission. Just take an example for bank balance. If we are credited with the 1,000 rupees, then that bank balance is remains same as it is. No one can modify that bank balance, just as no one can deduct or increase that bank balance without our permission. Availability is the principle that makes the information to available for user at 365 days and 24 hours, because that is used for genuine reason or genuine purpose, people. That is, we can take the example of Gmail. Next, cybersecurity roles and responsibility. We have to protect our IT infrastructure, edge services, networks, and data from the attacker or theft, to preventing from data breaches and monitoring and react to the attack. There are so many types of cybersecurity. First, we will see the network security. Network security means, what is meant by network? Network is connected with the two or more devices via internet for sharing information. When we want to share the information one person to another person, we will use the network. To protect that network, we have to use some network security tools. It is the process of taking precautionary measure to protect the device from unauthorized access, modification. Then we need a threat, that is a condition that causes damage to the system. What is the threat involved in network security? First, that is data threat. Second, malware threat. Third, password attack. Fourth one is social engineering attack. Second, application security. Application security, if we take the web application or mobile application, we have to protect that application from the attacker. So we need application security. This involves regularly updating software, conducting vulnerability assessment, so we can secure our application from the attacker. So we can see threats involved in application security, that is brute force attack, malware, injection attack, crowd-side scripting, that is XSS attack. Third one is information security, protecting data integrity. Information security, in that is security we can concern with protecting the confidentiality, integrity and availability. is nothing but same as CI triad model, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability. Just we see confidentiality means we have to give our text message in ciphertext format with the help of encryption tools. In that process, we need to secure our data from some kind of attacker or from some kind of hackers. So, threats involved in information security is botnet, that is short form of robot network. Next, phishing attack. Next one is ransomware, virus and worms, distributed denial of service attack, that is DDoS attack. Fourth one is mobile security. Mobile security means mobile security is protection of smartphone, tablets, and other various devices from the vulnerabilities. If there is vulnerability in one application, just take an example of Spotify. If there is any vulnerability in Spotify, then anyone can access our mobile. Just they can access our mail id, they can access our file manager, they can access our contact numbers, WhatsApp, etc. So what is the threats involved in mobile security? That is spyware, broken cryptography, network spoofing, unsecure Wi-Fi. And last one is cloud security. Cloud security is involved protecting the information stored in digital environment. In all of the organization, there is AWS use, Azure, Google, etc. is used for storing the data for online purpose. There is AWS account every organization use. So we have to protect that data from the threat or from attacker. So we need a threat involved in cyber security, that is data breaches, account hijack, lack of cloud security architecture and strategy. So these are all the types of cyber security.